Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to change speed of the Hyperlapse video recording at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera, and one of this is the Hyperlapse, so let's pick it. Here we are. Now we can start recording this kind of video by using this big button here at the center. To change the speed of our Hyperlapse, we have to go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we can see from the left that now we are on the auto speed, so the camera should recognize the best possible settings to our video. Also, we can pick from the spectrum from 5 to 60, so this is wide choice, and we have really cool option, the short information from the device, which speed is good for which conditions we have. So for example, 60 is good for recording sunrises and sunsets. Let me show you maybe 10, good for recording traffic going by, and now let me stay maybe on 5, good for recording people running around and being active. And let me start recording to show you how it works. And this is my object. I'm going to move it slowly because the Hyperlapse should speed up the original video. And now let's stop by tapping again on this button to see the video. Let's move to the left to this one. When we pick it, we get quick access to the gallery. And this is our Hyperlapse video with speed 5. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.